Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Kali Linux. While Roblox isn't natively supported on Linux, the most reliable method involves setting up a Windows virtual machine. This approach provides a dedicated environment for Roblox, ensuring compatibility and better performance. We'll walk through the steps to get your virtual machine ready, allocate the necessary resources, and then install Roblox just as you would on a standard Windows computer. This guide aims to make your gaming experience smooth and straightforward. To begin, you'll need virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware. Install your chosen software on Kali Linux. Next, create a new virtual machine and install a legitimate copy of Windows. It's crucial to allocate sufficient resources for a smooth experience. Aim for at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores. Don't forget to install the guest editions or tools for your virtualization software to ensure proper graphics and device integration, which is vital for gaming performance. Once your Windows virtual machine is up and running, the next step is straightforward. Boot into your Windows VM, open a web browser, and navigate to the official Roblox website. From there, download the Roblox player and proceed with the installation, just like you would on any Windows PC. After the installation is complete, launch Roblox, log in with your account, and you should be ready to dive into your favorite games. Ensure your internet connection is active within the VM. While some users attempt to run Roblox using compatibility layers like Wine or Proton, these methods often lead to instability and require extensive troubleshooting. For the most consistent and enjoyable experience, a dedicated Windows virtual machine remains the superior choice. To optimize performance, ensure three-dimensional acceleration is enabled in your VM settings. If you seek the absolute best performance, consider a dual boot setup with Windows, allowing Roblox to run natively on your hardware without virtualization overhead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.